Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a site from a project within our SEO tool suite. To do this you'll have to have already added a project and had a site added to that project. You do this typically as part of the sign up and getting started process. If you've got multiple projects you'll find that within the project's home screen when you log in. Simply navigate to the project where you want to delete the site from, and you'll see the bin icon next to every site within a project that you've added. Simply click the delete icon and then select delete site, and you'll have to then confirm the deletion of that site afterwards. If you do delete a site from a project, it will be completely removed and you'll no longer be able to see historical data for that particular site. If you do want to restore a site, simply email us at support@raptor-dmt.com and we will be able to restore that for you. Okay, that's how to delete a site from our web crawler. Thanks for watching.